There's also a legal description tool or command in Trimble Business Center Survey Advanced Edition. And once you have your parcels generated and your map check all set, you can go to the legal description, which is on the survey tab. You can pick on that command here, or you could simply go to the legal description writer, which is at the top of the create COGO command. So if I select that, you can see it takes me to the same spot. There is a template file that you can create and set up, and then from there you select your starting point. So I'm going to pick this as my first point. You can see that it finds the other segments in the paths, the parcel as well, and the other tools that I can have is a node-to-node misclosure option, which is preferred. The gap tolerance, I can go in a clockwise or counterclockwise direction, and then there's an edit preview tool that lets me edit the description template. So I can control the distance formats, the angular format, the relative directions, and then even the paraphrases. So what the header should be, what the point of commencement should say. So again, you would modify this accordingly to meet your local requirements or your local method of legal descriptions. You can save that as a new template and then use that template for future legal descriptions. And then you can choose your output. You can either do a text file, an RTF file, or an RTF file with page breaks. So I'm just going to do an RTF file, and I'm just going to call this parcel 1 and put in the name and click apply. You can see it creates, in this case, opens up WordPad, and now I have my legal description with all my verbiage that I can copy and paste. But again, using the template, you can create more information so that you get a full legal description, or again, use this as to copy and paste into your standard legal description.